Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to show you a very easy bushcraft project, simply turning your knife into a draw knife. I'm going to take and cut about 8 inches of this off, and then we'll take and drive the knife down into it at just a slight angle, and we will use it as a draw knife. We'll go back out in the woods there and find some things to make some long shavings off of. Let me show you. Cut this end off. Now, do not stick it in there straight. I'm right-handed, so you want it, since I'm right-handed, it's going to be turned this way, slight angle. That's all you need. Let's go out in the woods now and see if we can make some long shavings, and then we'll come back and ferro rod ignite them. That'll do for a start. All right, let's see if we can get some off of this pine right here. Some more Fatwood. That's the good stuff. And try not to go so deep. I want to get a lighter touch with it and make some really fine Fatwood shavings. let's go ahead and see if our keychain ferro rod will fire it up. Shouldn't be any problem at all. I'm going to take this bigger strip of Fatwood and get some scrapings off of it. Make sure that you clean the spine of your knife off before you go to use the ferro rod. It actually makes a difference. And we can go ahead and put these coarse pieces in there. Wind's blowing it right back on me. That's a lot of Fatwood. And I want to show you before I leave that other piece of branch that we had. It came loose and this came out. So let me get this out of the way. It's gonna hopefully it'll keep blowing on that end. So once again, you're just gonna not put it in there straight, but put it in there at a little bit of an angle. And you're ready to go. Do me a favor now, before you leave the channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. Appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.